Will you marry me? Hey, welcome back. This is day 8 of Noob to Pro on Blender. And I was thinking for today we do a gold ring. I'm going to show you how to make that. So let's do it. Get rid of the original box here. I'm going to add it in a tortoise. I'm going to keep it at that level. Let's see here. And then I was thinking we size it up. It looks like I already have a really good shape for it. So we're going to hop on top, select the faces, extrude. Just do a simple solitaire. I will say it does need to be way bigger. Thinking of doing like a marquise. Literally perfect. What the heck? Okay. A little long. Almost looks like flatbread. Got a hero sandwich. Okay. And let's just keep it down a little bit. Minimalistic. That looks good though. The only problem is for a marquise, it's a little more complicated because I do have to add that kind of like wrong. There we go. Cut through, enter. Looks like I got it. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, then we get to delete half of it. Go into wireframe, cut one more time. Wow. That's pretty impressive. Okay, this is kind of what I wanted to get into anyways. This is a pretty great way to demonstrate how to build like more unique models. I just kind of want to get behind making this. Okay, I'm back. That looks a little much. I think auto smooth looks a little better. I just want to keep it very low poly looking anyways. It's just kind of the whole look. And anyways, a ring does look kind of flat. That looks like a little too much. Well, we'll see. We're going to add in the textures now. All right, now the fun part. We're going to add in the textures for it. So first, you want to go to shading. Pops up with this crazy thing. Make sure you have Node Wrangler enabled. And essentially add new. Control-Shift-T. And then go to downloads. For you, go to like something like ambient CG. And I'm going to do this one first. And you can click any of these. So you can just do metalness, roughness. Wow, very shiny. Okay, that might be too shiny. I might have to do something about that. Let's see. What would happen if you just did the whole thing? I'm gonna mess around with this. I haven't really figured out how to do this too well. So if you do roughness, that does look like insanely good. And I like that a lot. It's very shiny. You know what? I kind of like it already. I'm sure there's ways to play around with like exactly it. I just thought it looked too shiny, but maybe that's okay. So I was thinking, I guess you wouldn't be able to really go nuts with it, huh? I was hoping to change the color, but I could also just grab another one. No, it should be fine. So this is good. I'm just gonna add in the... low key looks pretty interesting. I mean, it looks like a ring, right? Let's see if I can find a better one. Maybe there's a better ice. Let's just scrap this whole thing. Okay, I feel like I've been learning a lot making this video. If you want to make a diamond, it's actually really easy. And you don't even have to really download anything. You could just do the glass one. Check this out. Control-Shift-Click. And that already kind of looks like a diamond. Like, you could definitely just edit it out. You can make it a little more rough. That's too rough. Let's do, what does this do for it? Oh, it's too much. Okay. I want it to be clear, but not too clear. Yeah, that's a little too messed up. Let's do, it's almost there. I'm wondering, okay, maybe I can add it in now. Maybe this is, I bet if I add it in, yeah, that's perfect. I really like that. Okay, yes, I did it. Cool. So I made it more reflective and that actually looks like a diamond. I might have to just take off some of the roughness. I think the roughness is a little much. I'm trying to figure out which one's doing the ice kind of effect. It might be this one. Ah, it's definitely gonna be this one. Yeah, let's just do like half. I really like it being a little scratched up, but not that scratched up. That might be a little too much as well. This isn't supposed to be the end all be all. I just made a very simple little thing. I think I can just swap back to the other one. Okay, I ended up changing the model's color towards the end because I wanted to kind of match the ring I bought for my wife. So this one I changed to a rose gold color, and as you can see I kind of made it a little more imperfect, kind of match an actual ring shape, but I did that completely on accident. I was clicking through sculpting and I was kind of just messing around with it. It's making it into like almost like a, you know, Peter Griffin or something. And okay, so I did that. And oh yeah, I just want to go over real quick how I changed the color. So I went to shading And then right here, change the color to same essentially, should say properties. Let's stick with that. Okay, knowing this, I'm gonna actually go back to the other one. 1.4, that's it. Okay, that's the one. I like this. Actually, let's edit that real quick. Go to modeling. So just kind of go here real quick. Okay, that's it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. This was day 8. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.